negotiation, no compromise. All we want is Biafra. Now self-determination, they call it a speech. We want referendum, they come forward. Our lives are not saved in Nigeria. Spilling our blood for no just cause. Biafran self-determination, they call it HP. We want referendum, they come forward. Killing my people like Christmas good too. No more to election in Biafra land. So we are crying, let us go to return. Yamagamesha have expired. We are tired of your soup. Intimidation is too much to return. Incarceration is too much. Gullible wicked ones from Biafra land, they impose on us to be our leaders. Killing and wasting innocent life, we can't take it anymore. Yeah, gullible wicked thugs from Biafra land, they impose on us to be our leaders. Killing and wasting innocent life, we can't take it anymore. If you pretend, you must let us go to return. Yamagamesha have expired. Remember Biafra genocide. The Zoo River massacre. We are tired of your zoo. Freedom is not a crime. We must restore our papa's land. We can't take this torture anymore. Biafra is last hope for black race. Biafra freedom is not a crime. We must restore our mother's land. We can't take this torture anymore. Biafra is last hope for black race. We are dying every day to return. Intimidation is too much. Remember Biafra genocide. Oh, we are tired of your school. If they are the one, their Sharia land. Give Oduduwa their father's land. Give my people blessed land of Biafra. Stop the looming war in Nigeria. Give the Arewa their Sharia land. Give Oduduwa their father's land. Give my people blessed land of Biafra. Avoid the looming war in Nigeria. You will respect our rights. Yamagamesha have expired. We are tired of your school. Intimidation is too much. Incarceration is too much. We must go. United Nations, that's not justification. British corruption was in our nation. That's by amalgamation. We get corruption. You must let Biafra go. Evil Britain, you must let us go. Amalgamation have expired. Incarceration is too much. Intimidation is too much. Humiliation is too much. Persecution is too much. Remember the genocide. The Zoo River massacre. Remember Nkwo massacre. Remember Aba massacre. I can push it by me Python dance. Peter, you must let us go. Still only probity. Free Biafra. Free Ambazonia. Justice for Africa.
Yes, once again, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, conscious people, wherever you are all over the world, I would say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra. We are streaming live through the mother station, Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the deputy leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Uche Okafor Mefo. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State. And Anambra State is Biafra land. He is the man who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. IPOB is wrestling with flesh and blood, principalities and power, wicked spirit in the heavenly places, saboteur home and abroad. And one man in the midst of it all say, I will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. Like I always say, one day we will be able to appreciate the mindset behind those words. And of course, Mazi Uche Okafor Mefo is standing on a deputizing capacity on behalf of our supreme leader, Mazen Nnamdi Okwu Kanu. Nobody commands our loyalty. Mazen Nnamdi Okwu Kanu is from Afari Beku. Afari Beku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia State. Abia State is in Biafra land. Nobody commands our loyalty. From Igede to Yala to Idoma. In fact, let me break it down. From part of Benue to part of Kogi to Anambra State to Cross River State to Rivers State, all the way to Bayelsa State to Delta State to Enugu State to Anambra State to Ebonyi State to Abia State to Imo State to part of Edo State. Every single one there, these are Biafrans. Nobody commands our loyalty. Of course, the door is open for contest anyway. Tell us the name of your village. Let us tell you. We are the mouth that speak for the people of Biafra. Anyway, it's not an issue that is on contest. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu remains the one and only person who stood up to speak for the collective interest of the Biafra nation for almost 60 decades now. By the special grace of Chukwu Okike Abiama, I remain George Onyibe. I am from Abo. Abo is in Delta State. Delta State is Biafra land. We must acknowledge the Almighty Creator, because without him, we are gone as a people. For he is the lifting up of our head. He is our guide, our wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. A matter both great and small, he remained the primordial influence that drives us. And so in my own humble way, I will say to him, Anye na jage mau, nejoku ne maramaye, ihunanya ne nage, ubiomage, ujuru anyanya dadio. Inwe gembangwe o di onye de kage ibu alpha na omega anyị nene na asị na de mao. Without wasting much of our time, we shall be going to our topic this morning, which is simply IPOB refused to trade Biafra for anything. IPOB refuse to trade Biafra for anything. Or should I rephrase it? Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will never sell Biafra for anything. Mazi Uche Mefo will never sell Biafra for anything. Not for silver, not for gold. Because IPOB is that which makes money insufficient, which makes gold insufficient. One day you will understand. IPOB is not for sale. There are people who are working hard. They want to sell IPOB. You can't. Many of them has come and gone. I never know I am valuable until I listen to Radio Biafra Iruanya. I don't know Anyemina. Anyemina don't know me. Now let me send a message clear to all of you. George Onyibe is in Biafra land. George Onyibe may not have been among the pioneers of IPOB, but George Onyibe did have his best when I found that privilege. I work closely with Iruanya, but he know nothing about me because I respect chain of command. I go through Chidibi Onwudiwe. And I can tell you, where I close my chapter with him, I asked him, obey our leader. Obey our leader. He refused. That was the last call I made to him. There are people today who may be higher than me in IPOB. I don't know who they are. They don't know me. They are not even doing anything. You don't just drink coffee and you ginger and you swagger. No, I don't know you, you don't know me. That does not mean you have not worked hard or I have not worked hard. But go to Radio Buhari Iruanya. When you listen to Radio Buhari Iruanya, you will pity for Uchimefo and George Unibi. Yara, mad people. But of course, when I hear them talking about this thing, I'm delighted. But everybody must understand that IPOB has made it clear that Biafra is not for sale. Wazurike know what you are saying. Asare Dokubo know what we are saying. Saboteurs know what we are saying. Go and ask Nayangodu. Go and ask Edwin Clark. Go and ask Obasanjo. We are not for sale. We will not trade Biafra for anything. God forbid. On this platform, we make it clear for you. But we continue talking. Because this is the dispensation of talking. Very soon you shall hear shooting. Mad people. They say they are threatening us. We don't threaten people. We make you a promise. A promise we intend to keep. Because in the end, you will understand. We were here before you came. The only country that can come out today and tell Biafrans to shut up and we shut up is the Medians and the Persians, the Babylonians, the Israelis of the old. We were here before they came. Every country you hear about today, including America and Britain, we were here before they came. Before Japanese and China, we were here before we came. Biafra was here. If they tell me they are more right and I'm more right, I will agree with them. The assassins, I will agree with them. We were here. Ndimbo, they say it's Idimbo. Ndimbo, they say it's Hebrew. Ndimbo, they want to interpret it in different way. We are Ndimbo, ancient people. That is who we are. If you are not Ndimbo, I can't help you. But we are not for sale. But of course, we must continue. We refuse to trade Biafra for anything. No oil well, no silver on gold, nothing. This is all we have. This is our heritage. We will protect it with everything within our reach, within our power. IPOB worldwide, once again, is using this medium to draw the attention of the global community, those Igbo Nigerians living in Congo, to desist from sabotaging IPOB, because this will lead to their downfall. I want to specifically make you understand. You are Igbo Biafra, Ijo Biafra, Abo Biafra, Upland Biafra, Bottomland Biafra, anywhere in the world, you want to sabotage IPOB, we ask you to desist. But this morning, I'm specifically starting with Igbo Biafrans in Congo. Respect yourself. Move out from there. We are not for sale. There are people who are listed, and I will mention their name and their phone number. If you are listening to me, you know the relative of these people. Tell them in Congo to get out of IPOB matter, because we will not only address their stupidity in Congo, we will come for their family member here in Biafra land. God will punish all of you. You people don't know what is coming. Shebi Nigerian people are selecting who will go and represent them in diaspora. Let them come, because we will question all of you. You think you are playing with IPOB? Respect yourself. IPOB is the first country in Africa to activate the right to self-determination. But if Africans have colluded or conspired with foreigners, when I mean foreigners, terrorists who call themselves colonial master, to undermine our position in this continent, we will respond to you adequately. Make no mistake about it. I'm talking to people in Congo. And my sincere apology to Gabon. I misplaced Gabon for Congo. Don't mind me. Too much thing running in the brain. Gabon is one of the beautiful countries in the world. Gabon made sure Kwakshoko did not kill our people. Gabon, I'm sorry. I didn't mean Gabon. I mean Congo. There are a lot of people. They have already locked in Congo. IPOB National Coordinator and the Deputy, among others, have been locked up in Congo. Congo become the #2 country in Africa that lock up IPOB member. Benin Republic did the same thing, Cotonou. Though they are Yoruba people, but they came back to their senses and they allow our national coordinator to go. Now it is Congo time. You locked up our people. IPOB is registered in Congo. Comment allez-vous tout à fait aujourd'hui? Aujourd'hui Biafra, not aujourd'hui Nigeria. I have the registered or the document for registration of IPOB family in Congo. Congolese, desist. Desist. Don't let Nigerian push you into this thing. We will fight to the finish. We will fight to the end. Our national coordinator in Congo was locked up with the deputy along others. But am I blaming Congo? No. I am asking Congo, first of all, Nigerian ambassador to Congo, a Yoruba woman must be called to order. Congolese should call this Yoruba Nigerian hopeless ambassador to order. Call her to order. Because this fight, we will fight it to the finish. In case you don't know, Egyptians bomb our people. Egyptian pilot, why we are not facing Egypt now is because we don't know if those pilots were actually mercenary like terrorists Lugard, Boko Haram. That is why we are keeping quiet. We know that Egyptian helicopter was bombing soft target during the so-called Nigerian Biafran war. Egyptian pilots were bombing schools, bombing churches, bombing marketplaces, bombing hospitals, just to make sure they distract Ojukwu. We are not Ojukwu. Get this in the back of your thick head. Your very empty brain. None of you will be forgiven. We are Africans, if we will go by that name. This is our continent. When we go back to our genealogy, in the end, we see outside the genealogical enhanced Homo sapien in Africa, produced in the lab by Britain. We are the same. Our DNA is one. Congo, 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 Congo. Don't let Nigeria deceive you. South Africa has played down themselves. They say Homo sapien. How do they call it? Phonosabia, or what is the name? And you kill our people. I'm sorry for you. Congo, don't enter the list. Don't enter the list because the day of reckoning is coming. IPOB in Congo is registered according to Congo law. The Yoruba woman who is Nigerian ambassador don't speak for Biafran people. These are the people feeding from our ministry. You have released our people. Congo, don't be part of them. Because Biafra is not for sale. IPOB in Congo. George Onibe is the African rep artist today. Till I am removed, today I am the African rep. And as the African rep, I release my voice to you Africans. We will address your stupidity, if indeed you are stupidity. As the African rep, we are not dormant in Africa. We are not moved. We are watching all the African countries. We want to know who you really are, because we understand that the seed of the terrorists have been planted in Africa. We will uproot you when the time comes. Don't make any mistake about that. Every national coordinator in Africa, if you don't sue any country in Africa to the court, where they disrespect us, our leader has said it will be removed. Stand up for your right. Fight for your right. Report Nigeria embassy in Africa. We know that Dangote steal money from Biafra land and use it to bribe many African countries. They are poor and wretched, and so they will do everything they can. But they will not be able to undermine our position, because Biafra is not for sale. Why I say this is because we need to get to a stage where we must begin to tell ourselves the truth. A truth that cannot be undermined. Our national coordinator, like I said, they have been locked up. They have been released. IPOB is registered in Congo. Now let me tell you, Yoruba may be the ambassador of Nigeria to Congo. But there are some hopeless Biafran Fulani breed children call themselves Igbo in Congo who are behind this, empowering Yoruba to undermine IPOB position in Congo. Let's go to their name. Number one, he called himself Pastor Pantaleon Anyanwu. Nobody answered Pantaleon. No human being answered Pantaleon. But his Pastor Anyanwu, his phone number is +242 055 04294 or +242 064 96872. He's from Ahara in Imbise, Imo State. Call that man and tell him his family in Imo State will not be saved. He will come back to Congo. It is not a threat, it is a promise. Make una leave IPOB alone. Leave Biafra alone. Have you not felt enough on the misery of our people? We will run on the offensive if that is what it takes to be release Biafra. You are related to this pastor. You are oh, this can be big name. Anyanwu in Congo. Call him now. We know your house. We know your mother, your father, your brother, your uncle. We will not free you. IPOB is registered in Congo. Thunder fire you. Number 2, Justice Chika Tabo. He came with the zoo ambassador in Congo at the point Nori governor's office. He told the government that IPOB officers are terrorists at home and should be deported to Nigeria so that they can kill them. Supposedly, this is an Igbo man. Chika phone number is plus 242 068 039 38. I repeat again, plus 242 068 039 38. He is from the same Mbise, but claimed to be an Onitsha indigene. Maybe because he might have grown up in Onitsha. If you are related to this hopeless man, tell him to get out of IPOB platform. We are not for sale. Hey, I'm Onitsha man, I'm Onitsha man. Today they saw Onitsha man is saboteur. You are not Onitsha man. You are Mbise man who will come for your family member. Get out. IPOB is not for sale. When we say Onitsha people, unquote, are from my place, Abo. Outside in Ebonyi State where you have Onitsha Igboeze. Originally, it's not Onitsha Igboeze. It's Onitsha Igboeze. You only see Onitsha in Bende State, in Delta State, where you call Bende Igbo or Delta Igbo. Outside Anambra, you will not see Onitsha anywhere. I will not digress to that form. But ask yourself, why is it that no Onitsha man is allowed to rule Anambra? Why is it that no Onitsha man is allowed to become politically relevant? I'm not trying to divide us, I'm trying to wake you up. It's only in Abo, in Delta State, you begin to hear Onitsha Igbo, Onitsha Lona, Onitsha this, Onitsha Gwongworo, Onitsha Kakakara, Onitsha Tututuru. But of course, let's not go there. Biafra is not for sale. You are related to this man. Call him to order because we will come for all of you. Is it a threat? No, it is a promise. Look at your Nigerian terrorist leadership. They are looking for who to send to represent them. We will ask all of you questions. Igbo same bunch of shit. We will stone you people because you must be questioned when you are found guilty. You don't know. I think you are Nigerian terrorists. You are very powerful. I am broadcasting from Aborogodo. When we are done with all of you, you will wish you never come against us. Yeah, we are Rugaring everywhere. You will run for Ruga. I'm talking to Congo this morning. Number 3, they call him Eze Uche Ihedu. He is from Opunezi, Oruago, Nnewi. It's hard for me to discover, pronounce. But if you understand, his number is plus 242 664 28911. His other number is plus 242 056 244 704. If he's your brother, tell him to respect himself and get out of IPOB affair. We are not for sale. We go to the number 4. His name is Chinonso Okafor. His number is plus 242 044 345 345. Plus 242 04 345 345. He's from Enugu. The next one is Mrs. Anyanwu, the supposedly wife of that 419 pastor in Congo. The number or her number is plus 242 044 429 119. Her other number is plus 242 044 004 514. Is the wife of the fake pastor. as you are listening, send this message to them. We will go for their family member. You are telling Nigerian Yoruba embassy to deport our people in Congo. So in Nigerian airport, they will assassinate them. If anything happened to any IPOB family in Congo, your family will not be saved. George Onibe is saying this. I should be held responsible. This name I have mentioned, IPOB family in Congo. If we hear PIM touch them, a single hair in their body is removed. Your family in Biafra land shall disappear. Thunder fire on her. Unati say with a joke, we are engaging the global community to see how just they are, because kingdom rise and kingdom fall. The end shall justify the means. Mad people. All these allegation is because of their hatred against us. Because we preach against them. The world should know that we are peace-loving people. The most peaceful freedom-fighting movement around the world. IPOB don't look for trouble. But if you look for our trouble, we will give you double. We will give you double. We will give you double. And now I come back to Congo. With due respect, Congolese. Comment allez-vous? Je viens bien, merci. Au revoir. C'est un blanc. Et je dis Congolese. Me, Ajwadi Biafra. Just begin to speak the French and begin to go. Don't forget, he who wear the shoe, know where he pinned them. He that wear the cap, know where he pinned them. Congo, 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 Congo. Let's come back home a little bit. In 1870, explorer known as Henry Martin Stanley arrived and exploited what is known as Congo Democratic Republic, Dr. Congo. The Belgian colonized Congo Republic or Congo Kinshasa or Congo anything. In 1885, when Congo, the same, what do they call him? King Tiger. Is it Leopard or King Tiger too? He founded and ruled the Congo Free State. After an all-rising by Congo people, Belgium surrendered. This leads to the independence of Congo in 1960. So, Congo, the uprising you used to remove King Leotiger or Leopard in 1855 is the same uprising, it is the same revolt, it's the same challenge. We are challenging Nigeria and Britain to let us go. Congo, you did what we are doing. If you listen to Yoruba terrorists to undo our Biafran people in Congo, you, our father who fought for Congo, are evil. From 1885, your genuine father, wonderful father, they fought to release Congo from the grip of terrorism. And so in 1960, alongside with Zoo called Nigeria, you gain independence. Just that of Nigeria is fraudulent. Congo, there are breed of Congo known as the pygmies of Congo. These were the dwarf, Akapo. They were murdered King Leo Tiger or King Leopard. Congo, as I speak to you, is supposed to be the biggest country or one of the biggest countries in the world. Congo, as I speak to you, is supposed to be one of the richest countries in the world. Congolese, are you not ashamed you are the poorest? Being the largest country in the world, the richest country in the world, endowed with natural resources, more than Biafra land, but yet your people are poor. Congo, fight for your rights. That is what IPOB in Congo is doing. Mad people, don't let Yoruba deceive you. Oh God, oh God. A message of hope to Biafrans across the globe. Oh, xenophobia. It had just started. Xenophobia is for South Africa. You begin to hear Congophobia. Africans, give way for IPOB. Let Biafrans fight. We are the first to oppose terrorists in Africa. We are the first to ask them to go. Go back to record. Today we are still fighting for freedom because terrorists don't want us to be free. African, free yourself because you will never be free until we are free. We are the land of the rising sun. Without apology. Congo, We are asking you, that Yoruba woman who is a Congo ambassador, pursue them away from your land. We registered legally every IPOB coordinator. My position might be undermined at this moment, but I give you that order based on chain of command. Get a lawyer. Get a lawyer. We keep African quiet because we are coming for them. We keep African quiet because most of them found themselves in the same position we are today. We keep African quiet because we believe they will rise up to reasoning, to justice, to tranquility, to equity, to transparency. And when they fail to do that, we shall respond adequately. Are you people mad? Are you mad? Get a lawyer. If you are in Congo, get a Congo lawyer. Wherever you are, say Biafra, get a lawyer. Every Nigerian embassy anywhere in Africa must be chased out of the office. How long shall they feel that we're on our misery? And those of you in Congo, you are panicking. Do not panic. We have not kept quiet. We will respond adequately. Congo is supposed to be one of the biggest countries in the world. Congo is supposed to be one of the richest countries in the world. But as we speak, they are poor, stinking rubbish. Even the Fulani, Beggar, Lalama, Jiri, hopeless animals in Nigeria are richer than Congo president. And if they will listen to this saboteur, this terrorist agent, this Yoruba woman, and all those hopeless Awusa breed, baked, goat-born individual that I have mentioned their name, may God have mercy upon all of you. Na fana na wana monso, na wana monso. Yushi. For you Biafrans across the globe, understand, most especially those of you under my jurisdiction in Africa, it takes the strong hand of God to let the Israelites leave Egypt. Pharaoh was busy yapping. Moses said to Pharaoh, our God has sent us to you. Let my people go. And Pharaoh said, who is your God? Your nameless God. I won't let you people go. And so Pharaoh held the people down. But with strong hand, empty hand, he delivered the Israelites from Egypt. It is a story you can find in your Bible. It took the impossible until David came. The Philistines said to the Israelites, you slaves of the endless God, I call you to challenge us, the Philistines, today. Send forth one of your animal. Let them come and fight our Philistine champion Goliath. And if you win, but of course it looks impossible. One small, redheaded, fakeless boy stood up against Goliath, giant and terrorists. And they were conquered. I say this to the Biafran people. It took faith for Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego to disobey the king of the whole world, the Babylonian king. They refused to bow down to image. Biafrans must not do that. But in the end, they were thrown in the fullness. And in this fullness, Chukwu Kikabiama was with them. It is possible, but it was possible. That Daniel refused. He refused to compromise. He was thrown in the lion's den. He was blackmailed by the saboteur. But yet in the end, the lion mouth was shot from angel from Galilee, as we were told. Our people must get ready. Don't forget, ideas don't come out uninformed. When ideas come, it looks they are not prepared. But it will be clear when you work on it. When we say, when our leaders say, when the pioneers say, let us deliver Biafra, they don't know how it's going to be. It is God that turned us. Don't worry about where we are going to. We will get there. People will tell you, no, Biafra cannot come. All the criminals in Biafra land, many Biafrans, many Nigerians, British government, and all that. Hey, don't worry, Biafra will not come. Not now. It is later. It is now or never. Biafra is now or never. We got to fight for it or lose it forever. I Biafra no see. I get what Biafra na bua. Zigawosi. Na chianyi kama. No, don't worry, it's impossible. Biafra can come. Who told you that? Who the heck said that? It's almost impossible. It looks impossible until it becomes possible. They will tell you, the more people tell you that it's impossible for it to be done, don't mind them. Whatever your dreams are about Biafra, brothers and sisters, dream it big. Very, very big. Because in the end, Biafra must surely emerge as a nation. And so I call upon you, Biafrans. Get ready. Get ready. Don't let them deceive you. Don't let them tell you otherwise. Biafra is not for sale. In the end, Biafra must be free. And I must say to you, Africans, don't fight against IPOB. Don't fight against Biafra. Thank you to African nations who understand what we fight for. Do not fight against us because we will respond at the right time. Don't think it is possible to achieve Biafra. Don't think we will remain shouting on Radio Biafra like this. No, our mission goes beyond Biafra land. Our mission is to undo the walls of the terrorists in our land. Africa will never be free until Biafra is free. I'll be back in a minute.
Reading from Biafran's Got Talents.
Africans will never be free until Biafra comes, 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 Englishman knows that, Frenchman knows that, Nigeria knows that, Englishman knows that, Frenchman knows that, Nigeria knows that, they are playing on your intelligence. Life full of pretense. They are playing on your intelligence. They are playing on your intelligence. Their life full of pretense. Everything is diligent. Oh, so every black man stand for your stand right. Up for your right. Stand for your right. Wherever you are, stand up for your right. So every black man stand for so every black man for your right. Black man for your right. Freedom for Africa. Stand up for Africa. Freedom for Africa. Africans will never be free until Biafra comes, 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 Englishman knows that, Frenchman knows that, Nigeria knows that, Englishman knows that, Frenchman knows that, Nigeria knows that.
We have been in this bondage for decades now. Oh,
for decades now.
They gave us their culture. They killed our prophets. They colonized our people with guns and bullets.
Guns and bullets.
Biafra is our hope now.
Is our hope now.
Biafra is the hope of Africa.
So every black man stand for your right. Stand up for your right. Stand for your right. Wherever you are, Freedom for Africa. Africa, freedom for Africa. Africans should never be free until Biafra comes.
Yes, of course, the truth cannot be overemphasized. Africa will never be free until Biafra is free. Go back to your history, you will see that Biafrans are the first country in the world, the first country in Africa, I beg your pardon, to initiate the right to self-determination. The right to self-determination simply means the right to live like a human being, the right to live like a chimpanzee, if that is what you are. The right for African to be free. We Biafrans are the first to activate it. Ask yourself, why are they making sure we are not free? Because they want to say you started this thing they call problem. You will never be free. We tell them the lie. Don't get involved. Congo, let IPOB hold their meeting. Let them hold their meeting. Because the day of reckoning is coming. Of course, at this moment, our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line remains 07081545642. 07081545642. Anywhere you are, say Biafran, you have not joined IPOB family. We are not begging you. We are helping you. Look for IPOB to you and join. Send a text message to me on this WhatsApp. Your name, your location, and your phone number. Look for IPOB and join. Stop deceiving yourself. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. 081-221-52971 is our direct number. Special number for the female is 081-288-58614. Special number for the female is 081-288-58614. Biafra is not for sale. Can you hear me? Call on WhatsApp.
Yes, I can hear you.
Good morning from here.
My rep.
Go ahead.
Yes, good morning and good afternoon from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. My name still remains Ezekwem Uchechi. I'm from Amuro Okigwe province, Biafra land, residing here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Actually, my rep, I discovered that your mood is not really good, and I know the reason. Because the reason why your mood is not really good this morning is because of what we are passing through, which our leader and the IPOP all over the world is trying to, make something better for the life of what Africans are going through all over the world. Call it in Europe, call it in America, call it all over the world, even in Africa himself. This stupid woman, they call Deborah Elia, who is the Nigerian ambassador to Congolese country in Africa, is there trying to do what the scripts they have written to her. And the main problem is our own people, even our people trying to report our members.
Don't call them our people. These are Fulani people, children in our midst. Did you not hear Fulani rape our women in Enugu yesterday? These are Fulani children. That is why DNA is very important. But I'm sending a message across to every family that adopt this Fulani in Igbo name to go and warn them, because they will stay in that Congo. Where are the pygmies of Congo? They have been wiped out. Where are the pygmies of Congo? That is why I'm sending a message across to Congo. We understand the plight of Africa. We have all been wounded. We must come together and heal ourselves, not on the platform of stupidity. Congo is one of the biggest countries in the world. Most people don't know. Congo is one of the richest countries in the world. Most people don't know. Congo are one of the poorest people on earth. Most people don't know. Go ahead, and sorry for interrupting you.
It's okay. It's okay. We are in this together. Okay, look at the analysis you are giving. Congo is one of the richest countries in Africa and biggest country in Africa. Most of people don't know. But all of them, we are wallowing in abject poverty. We are wallowing in abject poverty. Africans. What Africans are doing to people. Yesterday on Radio Biafra, when they published the names and the numbers to come, look at this, some of the names they are answering. Pantanion. Tango. What is really Hausa Fulani? These are people impregnated by Hausa Fulani. They are answering Igbo name, as our leader always say. Look at the kind of name they are answering. Pantalion. Pantalion. Even the wife is doing. Look at it. Look at them. We are trying. IPOP is trying. Just like the song that just sang. Africa will never be free until Biafra come. If we don't go, Africa will never, ever, never be free. And look at what they are doing. And the people are doing this thing, our people, sabotaging, helping those in the authority, hoping those whom Hausa Fulani pregnanted their parents during the war and after the war, to cause menace into our life, to cause menace into what we are trying to come out of the mess we have been into. After they balkanized us in Berlin Conference in 1884. And we are trying to liberate ourselves. They are still going ahead to do that. But what we are trying to tell them, let them know all these saboteurs we have in our midst. We know the saboteur there is on 14th of February of every year. The day will come, and these people, they ever think that they have family in Biafra land or they have relatives. Neither do they have friends. They never thought of that. What they do is to try to harm us. The woman was yapping that if not, you're going to tell IPOP in Congo that they are terrorists. Imagine who are there to tell the Congolese government that we are terrorists in Nigeria.
Yoruba lunatic for that matter. Yoruba lunatic. Yoruba and some sabotage. That is why I appeal to Biafrans. When Biafra come, I don't want to be governor. I just want to be on DNA office. Don't pay me or volunteer. Let my generation work in DNA office. Adia mama. Because these people need to be fished out. The name and phone number I have mentioned, their stupidity must be addressed, home and abroad. But I tell Congo, don't join the league of criminals.
We are going to call them Biafrans. Listen, all over the world, wherever you reside, you live in America, you live in Europe, you live in Asia, you live in Africa, wherever you are, Biafrans. This is the time we are going to set down the read on Ruben one now. Let us harm all these people, all these names.
If Congo deport those people, which means those people are dead, they will die in Nigeria. And these people who are Yoruba, Hausa-born terrorist children doing this evil that I have mentioned their name, there is no of their family that will walk on this earth again. It's not a threat, it is a promise. Send this video to them. Send this audio, those of you on Facebook, send it to them. God will punish them. We are coming to worship in their church very soon. Mad people. Come to Biafra land and do church now, so you know what Yoruba are doing to your people. God punish you. Poverty stinking animals. Without respect or idea of, all this English. Go ahead, my brother.
Hesitate to make this call. Call them. Call them. Let us teach them their manners. Let them teach them. Call them, please. Call them wherever you are. Try to buy credit. Call these people. Let them treat them the magnet of IPOP. Stupid people, idiot, morons. Thank you. Let me give a way for other people to make their contribution.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
Biafra is not for sale and never shall really be for sale. Are you there, caller on the line?
Good morning. Yes, good morning, my lord.
Good morning.
Chukwu Kabiyama bless you. Chukwu Kabiyama bless all IPOB all over the world, and bless our leader and keep strengthening him. May Chukwu Kabiyama strengthen you more. Nothing will happen to IPOB in Congo. Yesterday, when the number was first called, they are not picking the calls. They are, in fact, is not even going. But we will be trying them. That woman, what is angering me is that woman particularly. That woman.
It's not a good woman. She was born by a cow. Your husband is
I don't know.
If that woman now see his husband as a pastor behaving like that and is supporting the pastor, don't you know that pastor is sleeping with choir mistress in their church? Mad people. We will come to that church in Congo. We will answer Yoruba nation, Hausa nation, and come to their church. Mad people.
Oh God. When I was hearing the man, I said, okay, that is man now. But when I heard the woman, I was marveled. You can't even call your husband back. I said, don't collect that money. Don't go there. Don't do that, because I know they were paid. They were paid by that agent of darkness that is called Yoruba woman. They are agent of darkness. They are darkness. Yorubas are darkness. I saw them. Their mother earth is darkness. That only the teeth shows white. Every other place in their body is darkness. So they are full of darkness. There's nothing good they can do. All the ones that could be able to do something, they have suppressed them. Yorubas are darkness. Let that woman, those 2 women that is joining the Nigerian evil people to harm our people there, take care now, because they will die. I was praying for them since yesterday that Tukuoka Biama will kill them there. They will not reach. They will not be deported alive. They will die there, and they will be buried there, in where they will never be remembered. They should be careful. This woman, you join your husband to do evil. Tukuoka Biama strike you and your family. May the pains of death kill you and kill your children, so that you know how painful it is to hurt other children. Now, maybe that the woman did not have children. That's why. I want to thank Chukwuka Abịama for everything he's doing for Biafrans. And he will continue to do it for Biafrans. He will never let us down again. He will never let us in anywhere in Africa. Congos, you are the poorest. You are the richest in Africa before, but now you are the poorest in Africa. Can't you trace your steps backward and know where you failed it and go back and ask your God for forgiveness? And you are there trying to humiliate and suppress the people that want to be free. They should be hearing also.
Is registered in Congo
they should listen.
Legally. Our people in Congo should get a lawyer and defend Biafra name. Thank you very much. Of course, we lost that caller. Make no mistake about it. Biafra is not for sale. Biafra is for every Biafran, not for sale. You are not a Biafran, you are not a Biafran. We are sorry, we cannot help you. You are there, you are speaking, we are mechanizing, we are this one, we are that one. You think we are joking? You will be the first to test our venom. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the line, are you there?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
So my mentor, this is Samuel. You know, Samuel Bonnie, I'm calling from FST. Yes. Marvin, I want to contribute in this thing is that this our zoo government that is trying to run us down, thinking that we know meet up, that Biafra will not come. What I'm assuring them is that Biafra is already here with us. Because yesterday when we went to recommend one detail, they have to come. They come with their zoo police to arrest us. But thank God that Abịama was with us. They can't do anything in this zoo. So we are telling them that whatever they do, we must conquer. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We must continue. Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
Yeah, Mazi, I'm here. Good morning.
Go ahead, please, my brother. Good morning from here.
Yeah, Mazi, my name is Paul, calling from Libreville, Gabon. I want to know. I'm confused anywhere in Congo, because we have two Congo Kinshasa and Congo Brazzaville. I want to understand the side of Congo, because we have Congo Brazzaville and Congo Kinshasa.
Now
where this thing is happening.
It's Congo Kinshasa. But Congo Brazzaville, Congo Brazzaville, these are the handwork of one King Leopard, King Tiger of Portugal, or what is the name of this colonial master? Go ahead, please.
Yes.
Any Congo or no Congo, they should go back home and trace out this nonsense. Go ahead, my brother. It's like, it's like you say, is it Nigeria Yoruba or Nigeria Hausa or Nigerian Biafra? Any fucking individual who answer Nigeria, they are lunatic. They should come out and separate themselves. But they know what we are saying anyway. Go ahead, please, my brother.
Yes, Mazi. Now understand the place. That Congo
is Congo Brazzaville.
They're having problem.
But I'm talking to all the Congolese, Congolico. Largest country in the Africa and the world, poorest. We taught them how to fight for freedom. They fought, and at the end of the day, the Portuguese left them and gave them independence in 1960. They know what we are doing. They understand the implication. We registered legally in their land. How can they allow Yoruba terrorists to be telling them what to do? And there are some hopeless people joining them there. Go ahead, please, my brother.
Yeah, Mamazi, I'm not happy about it because I know that now, because last time I heard about that news, you caution somebody to go and cool down. You are working towards it. Up to now, these people are holding our people, and I want to this moment. I want IPOB in Biafra land to give their family what IPOB is supposed to do. Because last time somebody want to do such a thing in Gabon here, IPOB treaties fuck up and the person just go back and withdraw himself. That is what IPOB in Biafra land have to do. Their family need to call them. If their family will hurt them, and
we will go for their family. If anything happened to IPOB member in Congo, Brazzaville, Porto-Noir, or anyhow they call it, their family will not live to see the next of another day. African rep is speaking. Yes. At least in this moment. Are they stupid? You can go to other country and do that. African rep is speaking. Thunder fire them. Otunabigwe is speaking. Nowhere in Africa, we are keeping African quiet, believing they will wake up to their responsibility. South Africa is doing their own. Their complaint is that how can Igbo people be knocking our women? You can't knock your women. And somebody is helping you to knock your women. You are killing our people. Are these people stupid? Are they dumb? Are they hopeless? We spend our resources to remove them politically free. They are still economically free. Any country in Africa trying to support these terrorists to undo us, we will make them understand. That family name I have mentioned, we are following their family. Let them deport this IPOB in Congo, Brazil. They don't know what is coming for them. We will attend their church. Sorry for interrupting you, my brother.
Yeah, Maz, there is another thing I want to correct. Because of that Onitsha, there is Onitsha in Mbise, isn't it? There is Onitsha in Mbise. Maybe that man is from isn't it Onitsha?
No. He's not okay. Very good for that impression or that knowledge you've given to us. He's not saying he's from Onitsha, Mbise. He's saying he's from Opiweka, Onitsha or Onitsha. Onitsha. He's claiming, Anambarian. Oh, Mbise. On a claim Anambarian, na Congolese. Go ahead, please, my brother.
So my brother, I'm very, very happy for the type of job people are doing. And that people over there in Congo, IPOB in Congo must stand up. No IPOB in anywhere in Africa must be hunted by these terrorists call themselves Zoo. So that's why we are.
Thank you very much, my brother. We must continue.
Yes. Thank you. Remain blessed.
Okay. Yeah. Biafrans across the globe, make no mistake about it. Biafra is not for sale. It shall never be for